Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to tell you all about hostel. Like what are the necessary things you need to keep in your mind while coming to hostel, and what are the important things that you should carry from your home that will help you out here. This video is going to be quite long, but I suggest you to watch the video till the end without skipping any part, because in whole video I have said each and every small information. So this video is for all who are coming to the hostel for the first time, and for them also those who have already been in hostel and have experience some or good experience of hostel for them also, because his situation is quite different, like weather, environment and everything. So watch the video till the end and I will try to give each and every information that will help you here. So let's start with the first thing first, like what are the necessary things you need to carry with your home and you must be required here. So first thing, let me tell you, that's the umbrella. Yes, umbrella. That's the most important thing that you required here. Yes, exactly, umbrella. You won't believe, but when you come to campus, you will know that yes, it's the most important thing for here. So I will suggest you to purchase a good umbrella, like quite a strong umbrella, because I'll try to post some pictures here, and you can see what what is the condition of umbrella here. Yes, you can get it from here also, but I don't want you to run to city for the first day only. Like when you came here and at the first or second day you are running to the city, so it will get quite difficult for you, and you will get quite stressed also. So get it from your home, it will be good for you. Now move to the next thing. Like the most important thing, the first was umbrella, and the second one, the most important thing you must be required here, and you will feel that on the first day of your hostel, is blanket. Yes, exactly, blanket. Like let me tell you, we have came in June, around 11th or 13th June, and in our side, like in UP, there was totally it was quite hot in June. The temperature was like 40 to 45 degree, but when we came here, it was quite normal weather. In the morning, it was quite hot, but in the night, I can't explain you what we have faced. In the night, we need to take our blanket out. Yes, we have taken out our blanket in the night only. It was such cold here. Now it's October, so you can think it's very cold here at the night, and you will feel same, like same opposite. In morning you will feel so hot here, like very sunny, but in the night you will feel just the opposite, like very cold here. So you must keep your blanket with you, and you are coming in October, November, so I will tell you, keep your sweaters also with you and get your blankets also. So you don't need to purchase a new blanket. If you don't have, then you can purchase, that's another thing. But if you have with you at home, then you must carry that one. Now move to the next thing, plates. The plates you need to have your food. So you can get the plates according to you, like whatever plate you need. If you are carrying a plate, like a simple plate like this one, then you must carry a bowl with that bowl, or a small plate with you for carrying curry or vegetables. And if you are carrying the plate, like big one which has a separate partition like this, then it will be good for you. Like you can have the multiple things at the same time in a single plate, and you don't have to carry the bowl and other thing with you. That's the second thing. And yes, glass also for having tea or something, like they are giving custard, they are giving on Saturday, so you can have it in your glass or in your bowl also. And also you must carry a spoon with you, that will help you. That's not the important, but it will help you. So you must carry this all the utensils that will require you here. And let's move on the next one. So next one is extension board. For me, they have given just you can see there, they have given just one socket, so it's quite difficult for me to charge the phone and the laptop at the same time. So I'll suggest you should carry one extension with you, so you won't get any trouble here. You have more things to charge, like laptop, charger and all, multiple things you have, then you must carry extension board with you. Now let me tell you one thing, like some of you thinking we should bring laptop to the hostel or not. I was also thinking the same, but I brought my laptop with me at the first time only, because I'm the computer science student and I can't do anything without my laptop, so I need to carry that. I'll suggest you don't worry. If you have laptop, you can carry with you. If you wanted to carry, that's on your own responsibility. You can carry some notebooks with you if you are getting in cheap price. Like here it's quite expensive, so you may regret that I should bring it from my home, it is more cheaper there. So you can carry some of the notebooks for assignment or something. But for assignment they will give you booklet, so don't need to worry about assignment. Every department will provide you assignment booklet for writing assignment. For some of your important notes, for making your own notes, you need that notebook, so you can bring it from your home, or either you can brought it from here. You will get it just outside of the gate. And the most important thing, you might be thinking about online shopping. You will get it here or not, like they are delivering it here or not. So let me tell you, it's a good news. Every day Flipkart is Flipkart delivery boy is coming here and delivering the item. You don't need to worry. If you order anything from here, you will get it on the second or third day. It's very common here, like you can get the thing easily here through online. Amazon is also delivering, but it will take some time, like 6 to 7 days. But for Flipkart, it taking mostly 3 to 4 days, maybe 5 days also. But it's quite faster than Amazon. And it's not I'm not sponsoring Flipkart, but that's the truth I'm telling you. So you don't need to worry about online shopping. You can get whatever you want from online. So move on the next thing. Next thing is pillow and mattress. So pillow and mattress, so here they're selling mattress in canteen, and outside of gate also, like they are costing around 1,000. We have got new mattress at 950 for us, but I guess they have increased this time, so it may cost you 950 also, or maybe 11 1200 also. And for pillow they are charging like 100 to 200, something like this. So I won't suggest you to carry mattress and pillow with you. If you have a small pillow you can carry, but for mattress I won't suggest you, because it will be quite heavy for you for the first time. If you are coming for the first time, that it will be quite heavy for you to carry mattress and all with you. So I'll suggest you, if you needed that, you can purchase it from here only. And moving to the next one, if you are playing badminton, then you must carry your racket with you. Like they will not provide you racket here, so you need to carry that, because many of my friends who already have racket but they have left at home, they thought that here they will provide racket, but they didn't, so they need to purchase a new one, so you don't repeat the same thing. So if you have, you can carry with you. Thank guys for watching this video. If you find the video useful, please do like, comment and subscribe the channel, and share the video with your friends.